So if you take this to the dealership to get these things replaced, the typical Mercedes dealer will want $400 to do this. About $12 in parts, maybe even 20 bucks, let's say 40 bucks even at their inflated prices, and about 350 bucks in labor just to do this job. Do this at home, folks. So much easier, so much cheaper. So we need to jack up the car. First thing is some chucks behind the opposite side wheels. Let's jack the car up. I'll start with the rear, change that pad first, and then swap sides and do the front. So these are the actual pads that I've got. They look like they're worn out and gone. So these are Euro parts. They're about $3 from Fcp Euro. Lifetime warranty, so I figure that's a really good deal. This is some of the cheap parts that you definitely can get from FCP that's worthwhile. Just put them on an order with anything else so you get the free shipping. And if they wear out in a year or two, get some replacements from them at no cost. Alright, let's see how we take off the pad and swap these in. By the way, this is what the pad looks like. So I'm just gonna try to work this out of there.
Later that evening.
Needs a little more persuasion. Get it out. There it goes. So the center coming out. Okay. And there you go. That's what's left of it. Now we'll open up our package. Here's our pad. It should snap right in there. Alright, needs a little more force to get in there.
Hours, 2 manila envelopes, and countless emails later.
So replacing these things seems like a trivial, simple matter, but it's a bear of a job to get them to snap in place. I've been trying for about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to try a new process. First, on the claws that bite into the car frame, I'm going to spray a little bit of silicone lubricant, just a little dab, to let them slip in place a little bit more. Then I'm going to wedge them in with any platform, something that can hold it in place, with a few pieces of wood. I'm going to use my harmonic balancer removal tool to wedge a piece of wood on there. Then put another piece of wood in place. That should hopefully allow it to get into its place. So now I just need to gently, slowly lower the car and see if that will press it into position. Okay, I think that pressed it enough. I'll jack it up again. Let's see what the results are. Yes, it's definitely wedged in there. That's a whole lot better than what I had before, which was not much of anything. Essentially, this was all I really had in there, with this guy stuck in the middle. Go, let's snap that in place. Now we can remove our blocks. Let's take a look. Yeah, it feels solid. And that's it. That's the installation of a w220 w215 jack pad. Real cheap, easy to do at home. Mercedes wants $400 to do these on the car. And these, like I said, these things are Euro parts. You can buy them all sorts of places. I'll post some links to FCP and other websites. Rock Auto, I believe, has the part number. The Euro part number is 007955. Mercedes part number is 001-997-9586. So if you have a better way of installing these, please let me know. I'd love to get your comments down below. If you have any questions, include those as well. I really would appreciate if you could subscribe so we can bring you more content like this. I want to thank my friends at Fcp Euro for sending these out.